China Harbor Engineering Company Limited, founded in 1980, is one of the earliest Chinese companies engaged in international engineering projects. As an overseas platform company under CCCC, one of the global Fortune 500 companies, it has expanded to foreign markets on behalf of CCCC and already becomes a world-acclaimed contractor with branch offices in over 80 countries and projects in almost 100 countries or regions. CHEC cooperates closely with international leading consultancies and financial institutions to deliver one-station solutions to international clients taking advantage of complete industry chain and resource integration ability. CHEC specializes in infrastructure construction of all modes, including marine engineering, dredging and reclamation, road and bridge, rail, aviation hinge, housing and public work, complete equipment, environmental engineering, and so on. CHEC has developed world-leading expertise and proprietary technology that have been successfully applied to projects all over the world and turned dreams into reality. CHEC has global competency in marine engineering and undertook 90% of the port and waterway works along the sea or rivers in China, as well as a large amount of international projects, to include the Shanghai Yongshan Port, the largest offshore deepwater and container port of the world, the new port in Doha, Qatar, a dry construction project with the longest once-completed port line in the world construction history. Having the most powerful dredging fleet in the world, CHEC is able to undertake dredging and reclamation works of any size and complexity by adopting large steel sheet pile and offshore dry vibrating gravel pile technology. CHEC has overcome the challenges of heavy sludge and aviation height limit in the artificial island project of Hong Kong Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, providing an environment-friendly and new stable solution for the establishment of offshore land. CHEC has successful experience in the construction of roads and bridges under different geographic conditions, including urban, mountainous, and sea areas, even in the desert, swamp, and plateau, and some other worse ones. The second Penang Cross-Sea Bridge, constructed by CHEC, is the longest one in Southeast Asia and honored the Brunei Award by ICE, Institution of Civil Engineers. CHEC has participated in more than 60 railway or expressway constructions in China, including Harbin-Dalian High-Speed Railway, which meets the highest construction standard in world frozen areas, the Lanzhou-Xinjiang High-Speed Railway, which travels through the complicated geographic features of plateau, mountain, Gobi, and desert, as well as the Beijing-Shanghai High-Speed Railway, with maximum speed of 380 kilometers per hour. CHEC has also participated in metro projects in Beijing, Shanghai, Shenzhen, Macau, Kuala Lumpur of Malaysia, and Singapore, and so on. CHEC provides customers around the world with integrated airport construction services, such as Beijing Capital International Airport, Hong Kong International Airport, Myanmar Nebi International Airport, Sri Lanka Hambantota International Airport, Sudan Khartoum International Airport, and so on. CHEC has abundant experiences in construction of high-rise buildings, gyms and stadiums, and municipal administration projects. The Grand Lisboa Hotel, Macau, has become the landmark building in Macau, and the Hambantota International Cricket Stadium successfully served as the venue of 2011 Cricket World Cup. CHEC is capable of providing services of complete equipment purchase and installment, including harbor engineering, engineering ship, electric power system, automatic control, professional warehouse, and industrial packaged workshop. CHEC has also engaged in some environmental protection projects like wastewater solution, desludging of river, and recycling of waste. Investment and operation have become CHEC's new business growth after reform. with strong resource integration competence, worldwide network superiority, top partner resources, and strong financial strength. CHEC can provide an integrative solution of funding, investment, construction, and operation to meet the global customer's urgent need for infrastructure development. The business invested by CHEC is all over the world, and the sum of investment has reached billions of dollars, covering a variety of industries such as port, infrastructure, electrical energy, and comprehensive development of land. In Jamaica, CHEC invested $0.7 billion to construct and manage the North-South Highway, an artery connecting North and South Jamaica. In Cameroon, CHEC constructed and participated in the operation of Kribi Deepwater Port, a new engine for the economy in Middle and West Africa. In Indonesia, the total investment in CCCC Graceland, developed by CHEC, approximates $0.8 billion, and CHEC is also committed to building a model of high-end real estate in Jakarta. In Sri Lanka, CHEC invested $1.4 billion to develop and construct the Colombo International City, South Asia's future business, culture, and finance center. Based on the entire principle, CHEC is willing to work with partners for economic and social development. Thus, CHEC impresses the locals with its responsible image. CHEC will remain committed to carrying forward the public charity work and making contributions to local community as a responsible corporate citizen.
Hello tomorrow.
Hello tomorrow.
Hello tomorrow.
We are building a closer world. We are sharing a better life. We are creating a brighter future.